So now we're going to get to the real meat of this. How do you get better at this? Well, besides playing these longer and doing them more frequently, we're now going to add a decrescendo. So we'll do crescendo, crescendo on our final note. We'll hold that at our maximum volume for 1 bar. During the next bar, we're going to decrescendo to our lowest volume, and we'll hold the lowest volume as long as we can. So let's try this again, starting G down to F. Continue on this with the crescendo, hold at maximum volume, decrescendo, hold at minimum volume. We are now doing F sharp to E. Okay, we will now do F to E flat. We'll now do E to D. And now E flat to C sharp. Now, you heard I had a couple warbles in here. You have to experiment to figure out how to compensate for basically there's less air pressure. Pay attention to what's happening when the sound starts to go away and figure out how to make it continue. We're going to continue with C sharp to B. And then finally, C to B flat. All right, so that's the exercise. I would encourage you to practice that daily. You want to practice to play it as softly as you can, and then as you get softer, adapt as necessary to get the right vibration and keep the note going. So I hope this is helpful for you, and I'll catch you later.